Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing I will put sin x go to the left. Now I will consider about this function in here. Next, we need to do first derivative of this one. First derivative of x to the power of 11. We have 11x to the power of 10. This one is about 5x to the power of 4. This one is about positive number 2, and this one we have cosine x. Now we have 22x to the power of 10. This one you got about 15x to the power of 4. And this one we have number 2 and cosine x. Now let's consider about cosine x first. We know that the cosine x always provide the value from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Now if I put negative sign here, they got the same. For all the value of s belongs to real numbers. Now if I put number 2 in here, so 2 minus, so with negative number 1 we will have about positive number 1. 2 plus 1 is about 3. That means 2 minus cosine x always greater than number 0. Now let's go to this one and this one. So we see that they are even power. Because they are the even power, they will be greater than or equal to number 0. That means if we combine two things together, first derivative of the function is always greater than number 0. And now we can use about variation table. Now we need to draw the table in here. So the sign of this one, that is about positive. We know that this one is about even power. So if we find the limit of the function when s approaches to negative infinity, we will have negative infinity. When s approaches to positive infinity, we have positive infinity. So this one they will in here and here. So the function that should be go increasing. And we know that number 0 in here, I will put into y equals to number 0. That's about the straight line in here. We see that this one is about the function this red line is about y equals to number 0, and we can see that they just make only one intersection in here. That means they has only one root. This is the end. Thank you for watching.